In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently cancel FreshBooks account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect so you can close your subscription with confidence. Start by opening your browser and heading to your FreshBooks dashboard. Once you're on the main dashboard screen, look toward the very top of the page for your account icon. This is usually your profile photo or your initials, and it typically sits in the upper right corner. Click that icon to open the account menu. In the menu that appears, choose Billing and Upgrade. This section is where FreshBooks manages everything related to your subscription, including your current plan, payment details, and options to change or cancel. It's the control center for plan management, so you're in the right place. On the Billing and Upgrade page, you'll see your subscription plan displayed, often alongside other plan options or upgrade suggestions. Don't worry if FreshBooks highlights alternative plans here. That's expected. The important part is simply confirming you're on the page that shows your plan details. Next, scroll down the page. Keep going until you find the option labeled Cancel Account. It may appear near the bottom, and it can sometimes be a smaller link or button compared to the upgrade prompts, so take a moment to scan carefully. When you see Cancel Account, click it. At this point, FreshBooks will guide you through a brief confirmation flow. You may be asked for a reason for canceling, to confirm the effective date, and to acknowledge any implications for your data and access. Read each prompt so you're clear on what happens next. Cancellation can limit or remove access to your account data after it takes effect, so understand how that impacts your historical records and any collaborators or team members on the subscription. Continue through the prompts and confirm when you're ready. After you finalize, you should see an on-screen confirmation, and you'll often receive a confirmation email as well. If your interface looks a little different, apps do update from time to time. Use the same logic. Open your account icon, go to the billing area, locate your plan information, then scroll to find the cancel option. That's the entire process. Open your dashboard, click the account icon, choose Billing and Upgrade, review your plan section, scroll down, click Cancel Account, and complete the confirmation. Once you've done that, your FreshBooks account is permanently canceled. Thanks for watching. If this walkthrough helped, feel free to replay any section while you complete the steps on your screen.